At Bob Boldt HVAC, we offer professional AC repair services in St. Paul, Minnesota 55118, ensuring your home stays cool and comfortable all summer long. Our skilled technicians are equipped to handle repairs on all types of air conditioning systems, from minor issues to major breakdowns. We provide prompt, reliable service, diagnosing and fixing problems quickly to restore your AC's efficiency. Whether it's a refrigerant leak, faulty compressor, or thermostat issue, our team has the expertise to get your cooling system back in top shape. Trust Bob Boldt HVAC for dependable AC repair in St. Paul, Minnesota. Contact us today about Bob Boldt HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. What AC repair services does Bob Boldt HVAC offer in St. Paul, Minnesota 55118? Bob Boldt HVAC provides a comprehensive range of AC repair services in St. Paul, including refrigerant leak repair, compressor replacements, thermostat adjustments, and fixing airflow issues. How quickly can Bob Boldt HVAC respond to AC repair requests in St. Paul, Minnesota 55118? Bob Boldt HVAC strives for quick response times and offers same-day AC repair services. They also provide 24/7 emergency repair services in St. Paul for urgent situations. What is your AC repair service office for St. Paul, Minnesota? Our local AC repair service office have served the areas of Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Minnesota. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC office? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website, https://bobboldt.com/Burnsville HVAC/.